Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 7, Lesson 7. Today we're going to look at the special properties with multiplying zeros and ones. So we have some new properties to add to our list with associative, grouping, commutative, flip-flop, and I think those are the two that we've focused on. So we're going to look at those two, and we're going to add some new properties to our multiplication property list. So let's dig right in. All right, our example 1 here says there are 4 flower pots. 4 flower pots. Each pot has 1 daisy. How many daisies are there in all? Find the unknown. So if I have 4 flower pots multiplied by 1 daisy in each flower pot, that means it's itself 4. 4 groups of 1 is 4. The unknown is 4. There are 4 daisies in all. And this is showing us the identity property. When I think of identity, I think of myself, right? What is my identity? What do I myself believe in? And so when we're looking at the identity property of multiplication, I notice that 4 times 1 is itself. That it says when any number is multiplied by 1, the product or the answer is that number. It's itself. It's 4. Okay, so any number multiplied by 1 is going to be itself. 128 times 1 is 128. 1,596 times 1 is 1,596, right? Doesn't change. So that's our identity property of multiplication. If we look at example 2 here, it says describe the pattern of the products, shaded in green. What do you notice? All of the green numbers are zeros. You're right, they are all zeros. So each product is the number 0. So if I look at the circled product and follow left and above to the circled factors, so if I look at 0 here and I look at 3 times 0 is 0, right? 3 times 0 is 0. It says look at the product with a square around it. Complete the number sentence. So here I have 7 times 0 is 0. So this, my friends, is an example of the zero property of multiplication, which states that the product of any number in 0 is, you guessed it, 0. Okay, so we've got the identity property, which says anything times 1 is itself. And we've got the zero property that says anything times 0 is 0. Okay, these are 2 of our new properties. So if we look at our guided practice here, it says look at the row and column of products shaded yellow. Row, column, right? Column goes up and down, row goes side to side. So if we look at those, it says when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is that number. This is an example of the identity. It is itself, right? Identity, it is itself. Any number times 1 is itself. So we can notice here, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. It's itself. Okay, that would be that identity property. And then remember, anything times 0 tells our zero property tells us that it's going to be 0. So that is all that I have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Should be hopefully pretty easy lessons today, but we need to practice those new properties that we just started talking about. So I'm looking forward to it. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.